Hello everyone, welcome to my channel University Study Guide. So today we will discuss about three management development program, that is MDP, offered by Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur. So basically we are going to discuss three major notifications that has come out from Indian Institute of Technology. So first one is management development program on econometrics analytics of time series data, that will be organized in between August 18 to 21st, 2021. Second one is Management Development Program on Engineering Econometrics, that will be organized by November 3rd to November 6th in this year 2021. And the third one will be Management Development Program on Business Analytics for Management Decisions. So we'll discuss each one uh, bit by bit. So before that, please subscribe our channel for all the latest notifications regarding different university courses, admissions, uh, to get the updates, and like this video. So let's see our first notification, that is Management Development Program on Econometrics Analytics of Data Time Series Data, that will be organized in between August 18 to 21st. So that will be organized by Binod Gupta School of Management, Indian Institute of Technology, that is IIT Kharagpur. So you can check the objective of this course. So the main objective of this program is to emphasize broad range of techniques for the time series data and to foster multidisciplinary research in these areas. So the topics will be covered like this: introduction to time series data visualization, linear time series modeling, non-linear time series modeling, diagnostic test and modeling adjustment, advanced time series modeling. So this will be the important dates. So August 4th will be the last date of registrations applications, and the course will begin from August 18 to August 21. So how the course will be uh, run, that is through online, through Zoom or Webex or Zoom or Google Meet. So it will be intimated later. Once you register the program, they will intimate you. So who can attend this program? That is special. It is designed for the corporate executives and academicians only. And this you can see the course fee. This is the including 18% GST, and it is non-refundable and non-transferable also. For the foreign participant it is 25,000. For the corporate professionals it is 10,000. Academicians and others it is 8,000, and students also it is 6,000. So students, postgraduate students only can attend this program. So certificate will be issued to each participant from the office of the IIT Kharagpur after the completion. So how to apply this? You can check this link and you can contact Professor Rudra P. Pradhan is the coordinator. You can contact details. So this is the link. I will put this link into the description. You can check the link. So this is all about our first notification, that is EATS 2021. Let us see the second one, Management Development Program on Engineering Econometrics. So you can check the objective of the course here: to emphasize broad range of econometrics techniques for the engineering data and for fostering multidisciplinary research in these areas. The topics covered, you can see: introduction to engineering econometrics, exploring the data, basic engineering econometrics spreadsheet, linear engineering econometrics, advanced linear engineering econometrics, time series engineering econometrics, non-linear engineering econometrics. So this is also the last date of application is October 6th. Course will be started from November 3rd to 6th, and course fee it is also like same as for the previous: 25,000 for the foreign participant, 10,000 for the corporate, 8,000 for the academicians, 6,000 for the students postgraduate, and it will be also through online only through Zoom, and corporates and academicians can participate. Certificate will be given. So this will be the link. So this is all about our second notifications MDP program on engineering econometrics. Our third notifications will be MDP on business analytics for management decisions. So it will be from December 8 to December 11, 2021. It will be also like the same online process. Through online process only, the course will commence. The topics will be analytics, introduction to analytics, descriptive analytics. So like this, you can check the topics to be covered, and important date will be November 11th. Till November 11th, you can uh, apply the course. So courses will be, the fees will be same, 25,000, 10,000, 8,000, and 6,000. And I'll put this link into the description so that you can directly go and apply for it. So once you click on this link, you will visit this link. So in the downside, we can see the courses. So here you can directly contact this contact person here, and you can apply for it. So let us see the date. It is mentioned here. These are all conferences. This one I am talking about, Management Development Program, Business Analytics for Management Decisions. So you can check the Rudra Prakash Pradhan, the professor in charge and principal coordinator. So I can take his email ID, okay, and apply for it. So it is the same thing. All the coordinators you can contact. This is the second one, okay, and this is, so like this you can apply for all the three MDP programs. So this will be very beneficial once you attend this webinar, attend this program, attend this online MDP program. It will be very beneficial, and a certificate also given by IIT Kharagpur. It is one of the premium institutions. We all know that. So thank you for watching this video. We'll be keep updating you regarding different MDP programs organized by different universities, institutions. So please like our video and subscribe our channel to get more updates in the future. Thank you very much.